In addition to basic orders, you can also place a series of advanced orders, which includes having one or more specific criteria to fine-tune your trade orders. Here's how to place an advanced order. First, go to the quotes page. Tap on any stock to access its detailed quotes page. Then tap the trade button. Next, select an advanced order type. Tap on the types field to see all the order types available. These advanced orders are divided into 3 groups, all of which includes the features of a limit order or market order. What is a market if touched order? A trigger price and a market order constitutes to a market if touched order. Suppose you have the intention to buy a given stock that is trading at $150 per share, and you wish to make a purchase should it suddenly drop to $140 per share. If you do not have the time to monitor the price movement of the stock, you can choose to place a market if touched order. The third step is to specify the trigger price and the parameters of the order. When you select market if touched as the order type, you will need to specify a trigger price, which in this case is set to 140. Next, you will need to input the quantity of shares you wish to purchase, for example, 10 shares. You will then need to set the time in force for your order. If you set the time in force to good till cancelled, your market order if touched will continue to be valid for 90 days until it is fully filled, cancelled, or failed. Tap the buy button to place a buy market if touched order. When the stock's trading price reaches $140, which is the specific triggered price, the system will automatically submit a market order to buy 10 shares. Your market order should be immediately filled in a normal market condition. To learn more about the advanced order types, tap the info icon next to types. Please bear in mind that you may not be able to submit an advanced order if the trigger conditions are set incorrectly. Thank you for choosing moomoo.